Hostinger VPS coupon code. So if you want to get Hostinger VPS coupon code, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and just go with search. And under search, you need to search for Hostinger. After searching, now here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the coupon codes. So you just need simply click on the website, right click on that, go with open link in new tab. And in the same way, you can go with the other websites which will provide you the offer. Go with open link in new tab. Once you've done this for 2 to 3 websites, you can just simply click on the websites that you've clicked on. Now you need to go with show coupon code, which is on the right side, and you'll be able to get the coupon code. You can go and copy the code and paste it to the Hostinger website, or you can go with go to Hostinger website, which will directly take you to the Hostinger, and you'll be able to get up to 85% off. And in the same way, you can go with the other websites that you've clicked, and here also you can scroll down and you will get the coupon codes right here. And if you go with the other, then here also you will have the coupon codes. So in this way, you'll be able to get the coupon codes for hosting your VPS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.